Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. We're going to make this flower design on the top of it. After closing it, we're going to give it shape like this. Now fold all of them like this and make the petals of the flower, and look, your design is ready. Look at the hand action. In this video, we are going to learn how you can stuff the dumpling and make this beautiful design using this technique. So look, you have to stuff it like this and fold it like we are doing here in this video. Next, you can also use this design, hold it from one side and fold it, and look, it's done. And now you can also fold it like this way. You will get this pattern. After this, you can also fold the dumpling like we are doing here. You can make two partition like this, and look, it's done. Similarly, this is a very common pattern. So hold the dumpling from one side and make multiple pleats, and it's done. And here you can also fold it like this from the corner. Now you can also create design using comb and fold it, and look, it's done. After this, you can also fold it from the top portion like we are doing here and twist it like this, and it's done. You can also make this triangular shape on the top of the dumpling and fold it like we're doing here, and look, you will get this beautiful design at the end. Roll two different color of dough together, pink and white, and put all of them one over another. Make four partitions. Now you will get this triangular shape. We are making this design on both sides using comb. After making the design, we are going to put all of them one over another in a straight line, and look, it's done. Put a chopstick at the center. Here we are going to roll another dough by putting it on the top of it like this, and you will get the design like we're doing here. Now cut it into half, and look, your flowers are ready. Open the petals, and it's done. We're going to stuff this dumpling, so we're going to make a pattern like this. Fold it like we're doing here, twist and look, it's done. Fold the dumpling from one side and make multiple pleats like this. We're going to fold it like this, and you will get this beautiful design at the end. After rolling it, you can close it at the center. Look at this beautiful purple flower. Let's make it using this purple and white color of dough. So mix both of them together and make a ball like this. Now we are going to make multiple cut on it using scissors like we are doing here. We are going to make the petals of the flower and open it like this. Hold it from its bottom side and make multiple cut like this, and look, petals are ready. How pretty this flower dough art is looking. Going to put this flower and leaf and roll it. Now we're going to fold this dough and make a beautiful shape like we're doing here, and make multiple pleats on the corner, and look, your dumpling is ready. Going to fold the dough like we're doing here and make four partitions. After this, we're going to fold it from one corner and make this wavy pattern like we're doing here, and look, your dumpling is ready. Roll two circles. Now on the pink one, we are going to cut all these small circles and remove all of them and put both of them together one over another. Now flip it, and we are going to put another fruit inside it like this. After this, make a small hole at the center. Now we are going to roll another piece of dough and put it inside like we're doing here, and look, your mushroom design is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.